Hello friends, today we will solve this Sudoku which came in Indian Express paper. It is of highest level 5F, 5S and today date is 21/6/2020. So I have made this into the paper and now we will solve it. So let's do it. So this video is not an informative video to tell you how to solve the Sudoku. This is to tell you that how do I solve it. So how do I do? First I see 1. So 1 is here, 1 is not here. So here 1 cannot come. Here it cannot come. It can come here only. So I write 1 like this. Okay, now let's see here. Now next is number 7. We have 7 here. 7 cannot come. We have already seen that 7 will be in these 3 cells only. Now let's see where else is 7. 7 is here also. And right now 7 cannot come here. So it means 7 can come in these 2 only. So let's write 7. Okay, so now we have also come to know that 7 will come in this column only, right? So in this column 7 will not be here. It means 7 will not be here. 7 will not be in these 2. It means 7 will be in these 3 only, right? This is a very important trick. 7, from this 7 we can only see that 7 will not be in these 2, but by doing this thing that 7 will be here, we can see that in this column 7 cannot be. So it means 7 will be in these 3 cells only, right? There is no more 7 here. Here is also 7 cannot come in these 3, so it means the only remaining place is this one. So let's write 7 there. 7. Now we have seen in this column that 7 in this cell 7 can come in these 3 cells only. Now because 7 it cannot come here, so let's write 7 here, 7 here. All right, now let's see another one. We cannot do anything here. Here also, here we can see 7 cannot come in these 2. Due to this 7 it cannot come in these 2. Due to this 7 it cannot come in these 2. It means remainings are this one, 7, 7. Okay, now let's see 8. You see 8 here. In these two columns are already filled. 8 it cannot come here. These 2 are only remaining. So it means 8 and 8. But if you will observe 8, it cannot come here. This line. Okay, here there is 7. Okay, now you can see that 8 is in this column. So it means 8 cannot come here. Also 8 cannot come here and here. There is 8 also. It cannot come here. It means 8 can come in these 2 only. So let's write 8, 8. Okay, now where else we can write? Here 8 cannot come in these 3. 8 cannot come here. So this is the only place remaining for 8. So let's write 8 there. Now let's go. 8 cannot come here. 8 cannot come here. These 2 are the only feasible option for 8. So let's write 8, 8. So you see 2, 2, 8, 1, 8, 1. We have observed these things. Now where else can we do for 8? No one, right? So let's go to 9. Let's come with 9. 9 here it cannot come. Due to this it cannot come here also because of this 9. So the only main place is this. So let's write 9 there. Okay, now 9 it cannot come here. It cannot come here. These 2 are possible, but here 9 is also. So 9 will come here. Now in this we can see 9 cannot come here. 9 cannot come here. Due to this 9 it cannot come here. The only main place is this one, 9. Now let's come to this. 9 cannot come in these 3. 9 cannot come in these 2. The only remaining place are these 2. So let's write them, 9, 9. So if you observe carefully, 1 was there. 1 can come in these 2 only, right? 9 can come in these 2 only. It means 1 and 9 will be there only. There is no space for 8. It means we have to remove 8 from here, right? And we knew that 8 can come in these 2 cells only. It means 8 will be here only, right? So I will write 8 here. What we have done, we have already proved that 1 can come in these 2 cells only. We have proved that 8 can come in these 2 cells only. And now we have proved that 9 can come in these 2 cells only. But 1 and 9, both are repetitive, right? So 1, 9, 1, 9. Like we have done here, 3, 6, 3, 6. They can come in these 2 only. Similarly, 1, 9, 1, 9. 1 and 9 will come in these 2, right? There's no place for 8. It means 8 will come here only, right? Now there was 2 also. 2 cannot come here. So it will go to this place. 2 will be here. Okay, I hope you are getting the point, right? Now let's see where else we can write 9. 9 over 9 is ever no. In this one 9 cannot come here. 9 cannot come here. Due to this 9 cannot come here. 9 will be here, right? We have found that 9 will come here. Now you see 9 it cannot come here, so it will come here, and here it will be 1. This is 1, not 7. Okay, now what else we can do here? 9 is done everywhere. So I think 9 is done everywhere. Yeah, 9 is done. Now let's get back. Now we have write down many numbers. Let's get back to at the starting. We have started from the 1, right? So now see what have changed by doing all this. 1 is here in all these 3. In this 1 cannot come here. 1 is for these 2 places, right? So if 1 is here, 1 cannot come in this, 1 cannot come in these 3 already because of this. So it means the only remaining place are 1 cannot come in these 2 also. The only remaining place is 1, this one. So 1 will be here, 1. Now 1 cannot come into this, 1 cannot come here. The only 2 places remains for 1 are these 2, 1, 1. Okay, now let's see somewhere else. See, 1 cannot come here, 1 cannot come here, 1 can come in these 2. So let's write down 1, 1. Okay, now let's see, 1 cannot come here, so 1 will be here and here, 1, 1. Okay, where else 1 cannot come here? Due to this 1, 1, 1 cannot come here. It means that only remaining place are these 1, 1. So now here we can see what I have done. Due to these 2 ones, 1 cannot come here. Due to this 1 cannot come here, right? So the only 2 places are these for 1. Now we have proved that 1 will come in this row only, right? So it means it will not come here, it will be here only, right? So let's write 1 there, cancel it. Okay, now that's all for 1. Let's go to 2, 2, 2, 2. Here 2 will come into this, 2, 2, 2. Here we can see 2 cannot come into this, 2 cannot come into this. Because of this it cannot come. The only remaining place is this one. So 2 will be here and 1 will be here, right? Because 1 cannot be here. So 2, 1. Now 2 is here, so it cannot come from here, it will be here, right? 1 is here, 1 cannot be here, 1 will be here. Okay, so let's delete 1. So 1, 2 are all clear. Now let's look at 3. Where is 3? 3. It cannot come here, right? 3 can come here, here and here. So no, we are not writing. In this we can see 3 cannot come here and here. So 3 will come here and here only. So let's write it. Okay, where else 3? I am not seeing any opportunity to write 3. 3 will come among these 3 only, right? Here also we are not seeing an opportunity to write 3. Okay, let's leave it. Let's go to 4. 4. Here we have 4. 4 cannot come here. 4, these are 2. We have already written. 4 cannot come here. 4, 4. 4 cannot come here, right? So we will write 4 here. Now 4 cannot come into this, so 4 cannot come here. 4 will come into these 2, but 4 is already here. Because of this 4, it cannot come here, so 4 will come here. Okay, now let's see into this. 4 cannot come here, 4 cannot come into these 3, so 4 will come here. Now 4 will not come here, 4 will not come into these 2, so these 2 are only possible combination for 4. So let's write 4 there, right? Are you seeing what progress we are making? Now let's see 5. 5. Are we having any improvement in 5? No. 5 cannot come into these 2, so it means 5 will come here and here. These 2 are locked for 5 only. Okay, now 5, here also there is no 5, so 5 will come in these 2 only. So 5. Okay, now let's see, 5 was there, 5, this 5 cannot come here, so it means 5 and 5. Okay, now where else 5 cannot come here? 5 will come in these 3 only, right? Yeah, here also 5 will come in these 3. We have another option, so we are not writing 5. Now let's go to 6. Here is we have 6. In this also we do not have 6, so 6 will come in these 2. Okay, now you can see 6 is coming here, so it means 6 will not be here, because 6 will definitely come either of these 2 positions, right? So it will not come here, so it means 3 will be here. 3, and where will 6 go? Here, right? Now I think we can do something else. We can move back to, okay, we will move back in again in the third iteration. Now let's stick to the second iteration only. 6, we were at 6, so 6 cannot come here, 6 can come into these 3. Here 6 cannot come here, 6, and there is another 6 here. No, so 6 can come into these 3. Okay, we are not writing. Where 6 cannot come? 6 cannot come here, but 6 can come at the other location. Okay, I don't think there is any other position where we can write 6, right? Now let's go to 7. 7 cannot come. We have already written 7 in this also. Okay, 7 is there. 7 we have written. Okay, where else 7 cannot come here, right? This 7, so it means 7 will come in these 2. Now we have observed that 7 will come in either of these 2 positions. It means 7 cannot come here. It means 7 will come here, right? 7 will not be here. There's no decision on 3, only 7, right? 3 will be out of these 2. You cannot write like 3 will be here. Okay, only 7 we have decided. Now 7, what else? 7, okay, 7 cannot come here. 7, these 2. Okay, no other things. Now let's go to 8. 8 here 8 will come in these 2 only. So 8. Okay, where else? 8 cannot come here, right? 7 4 7 4 we already established. So these two are occupied. So 8 is here. So which one is remaining that you will see later? Okay, 8 cannot come in these two. 8 cannot come in these two. 8 is here, right? Now let's see 8 8. Do we have any improvement? 8 cannot come in these three. The only remaining question is this, right? You see 8 4 is occupied. This row is full. 8 cannot come in these three. So the only remaining is this one. Okay. Now due to this 8 cannot come here. 8 will be here, right? Now we are done with 8. Let's go to 9 again. Now if you observe 9 we have done already, right? We should have check mark that 9. We will make this habit. We will tick mark this so that we will not waste our time. Okay. Now let's see those sections which have one or two remaining only, right? Like this one 5 6 5 6 have failed, 7 4 7 4 is failed, but this one is remaining. We know only one number is remaining, so we can easily write it. Which one is it? Is 1 2 3 4 5, right? 5 is missing only, so let's write 5 here. So it means 5 cannot come here. 5 will come here. It means 5 cannot come here. 5 will come here, right? It means 7 was 7 the two position. 7 is not here. It means 7 will come here definitely, and it means 8 will come here. Okay, so this one is complete. Now 8 is here, so 8 cannot be here, so it means 8 will be here. It means 4 will be here, right? Now let's see what else. Is anything remaining? No, 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 no. 5 6 5 7 5. Here we can see only one number is missing. 1 2 3, right? 4 5 6 7 8 9 are there. Only 3 is missing, so we can write 3 here. So if 3 is not here, 3 is not here, the only two positions are these two, right? So let's write them. 3 3. Okay, now here we can see 3 cannot come here. Is there any other 3? No. So there are 3 positions again, so let's not write 3 here. Okay, let's find another thing. 5 6 5 6. You see in this row 5 6 there are two locations are vacant, this and this. If you will observe 5 6 can also come here. Right now there are like no I have said wrong. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 6 5 missing, 6 missing, 7 8 9. So it means 5 and 6 will fill these two positions. But can 5 come here? No, because 5 is already here, so 5 cannot come here. It means it will be a 6. It means it will be a 5. It means it will be 6. Getting. Okay, now let's see what else. There are only two positions vacant, so which one are these? 1 2 3 4 5, right? 5 can come in these two locations, so let's write 5 here. 5 7 4. Okay, no problem. Let's see what else we got. In this column we can see only two positions are vacant, right? 1 can come here, 2 3 is missing, 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 3 is missing, so you can see 3 keys cannot come here. It means 3 will come here. You observing why I have selected this only because only two cells are vacant and 1 and 3 can come in these two. We can see 3 cannot come here because of this, so it means definitely 1 will come here and the other position will be filled by 3. This is how you have to train your mind, right? Now in this whole section we can see only two positions are vacant. So which two number can come? One is 5, we know. Another one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is another number. 6 can come. Can we see 6 is there? 6 is there, right? 6 cannot come here. It means 6 will come here, right? So this is how we have to solve it. 6, and this one will be 5, definitely 5. So 5 is here, 5 cannot be this, so 5 will be this. It means it will be 3. Okay, now 3. Please mind my overwriting. You should use pencils to write these numbers, okay? But I prefer pen. Okay, now 5. Due to this 5 cannot be here, 5 will be here. 5 7. Okay, let's stick to the upper part only. I think we can write some more numbers here also, like 1 in this row I'm talking. 1 2 is here. 3 can come here and here. These two are only vacant, so 3 and 4 are only missing. 4 5 4 is here. 3 and 4 5 6 7 8 9 are there. 3 or 4 are missing, so 3 cannot come here. It means 4 will be here. Because of this 3 cannot come here. Okay, so definitely it will be a 4 and the remaining number will be 3. Okay, although we have written that 3 can come out of these, so 3 is here. Now 3 cannot be here, so we will reduce it, right? Now let's see something else here. Two numbers are missing. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 and 7 are missing, right? 1 and 7 are missing. So 1 in this, I'm talking about this row. I have figured out that 1 and 7 are missing. You can see here 1 cannot come. It means 7 will come here. It means 1 will be here, right? It means 1 will not be here. Now let's see this Only one column is vacant, one cell is vacant. Which one it is? 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is missing, so let's write 6 here. Have you already done 6? What happened? 6 is already here. What the hell happened? Oh man, fuck.